Hi, it's Lisa, the Yummy Yank again for part 3 and the final part of the making of Lisa's American sour cream coffee cake. Look how gorgeous this is. I just picked it up off of the cooling rack and plopped it on my cake plate. The cake is pretty substantial, but if you have one of those cake slide things, that helps as well. But isn't it just so beautiful? So I also had to put my beautiful flowers that I got. Another plug, I'm not being paid, by Freddie's Flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm going to cut it and show you what the inside of this gorgeous cake looks like. And I'm actually going to have to take a bite as well. But it is such a beautiful cake. It's cutting beautifully. I don't want too much. Well, I do really, but I'm not going to let myself have too much. It's still warm. Look at that cake. Look at the inside of this cake. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? It's warm. It smells so yummy. And I'm going to go in. You can serve it like this. If you want to serve it with cream, you can serve it with cream. I don't see the need to serve it with cream. But it is truly, truly, truly my favorite cake. Just Moorish. Oh. Yeah. That's just perfect. It's moist, it's light, it's got the crunch and the cinnamon, the crunch of the nuts, the cinnamon's coming through, the glaze works perfectly. You can use any liquid at all, it can be a liqueur, it can be milk, it can be orange juice, it can be water to make it a little more kid-friendly, family-friendly. It's just the perfect cake. It's a great cake for a Sunday brunch, even for breakfast with a cup of coffee, or for a fancy dinner party. You cannot go wrong with this sour cream coffee cake. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear. Please subscribe to my channel. It's the Yummy Yank on YouTube. I'm hoping that we'll be able to link this to my website in news. Fingers crossed. Apologies for any naivety in this making of this video, any mistakes. This is our first. Apologies for this lockdown, multicolored white, red, brown hair. Hopefully that will be fixed fairly soon. But make this cake. That makes up for everything. And let me know what you think. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Our website's www, which I know you don't need, the Yummy Yank, all one word, as it should be spelled, .co.uk, theyummyyank.co.uk. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.